We are now in study session 5, Biological Influences on Aggressive Behavior. Social psychologists have attempted to define the concept of aggression within the context of behavior so as to understand, measure, predict, and modify it. In a bid to understand causes of aggression and factors that predispose people to aggress, social psychologists have propounded theories to explain the phenomenon. In this study session, you will examine biological influences on aggression. When you have studied this session, you should be able to explain the concept of aggression and analyze the relationship between biology and aggression. The concept of aggression in social psychology. Biovicht and Niemela 1992 defined aggression as any form of behavior that is intended to harm or injure some person, oneself, or an object. In a similar definition, Myers said aggression is physical or verbal behavior intended to hurt someone. It has also been argued that not all behaviors that hurt can be considered as acts of aggression. For instance, injection administered by a doctor on a patient. Though painful, it is not with an intention to hurt, but to help. Against this background, social psychologists have distinguished between instrumental and hostile aggression. The relationship between biology and aggression. Proponents of the biological model of aggression have identified 3 possible ways through which aggression can be influenced by individual biological makeup and manipulations. There exists enough research evidence to suggest that there are neural, genetic, and biochemical influences predisposing people to aggressive behavior. Researchers have confirmed that no one spot in the brain controls aggressive behavior both in human and animal. Rather, they have found that there are complex neural systems in the brain that aid aggression when such areas are stimulated and cause a decrease in aggression when the areas are deactivated. Myers reported in a study that when the amygdala, that is a part of the inner brain, was activated with a painless electrical stimulation, one woman became so enraged and smashed her guitar against the wall, barely missing her psychiatrist's head. Other studies using animal subjects have also shown that docile animals were provoked into rage, while raging animals became submissive when certain parts of the brain were respectively activated and deactivated. Some other researchers using the biological approach to explain aggression have focused on the genetic influences in causing aggressive behavior. According to this group, heredity plays a central role in the causation of aggression, as demonstrated by studies carried out using identical twins. Mouse and Carey found in a study that identical twins tend to have more similar aggressive tendencies than fraternal twins. On the strength of this study, in similar studies using animals, there is a strong suggestion that heritability influences aggression in human. However, McCord, 1994, advised for caution in the wholly accepting the genetic position based on the twins study. He was of the opinion that parents of identical twins tend to treat them more similarly than fraternal twins, and this may account for the similar aggressive tendencies found in identical twins as compared to fraternal twins. Biochemical influences in the form of hormones are also said to influence aggression in humans. Studies have shown that oversecretion or undersecretion of certain hormones leads to increase in aggressive tendency. For example, Maraziti et al. Found that excessive secretion of serotonin leads to difficulty in ability to control aggressive impulses. Other studies have also reported that the presence of alcohol in the bloodstream enhances aggressive behaviors by reducing people's self-awareness and their ability to consider the results of their actions. Other biochemical influences that enhance aggressive tendencies include low blood sugar and hormone testosterone in males. In this study session, we have discussed biological themes on aggression. We noted that some theorists have posited that aggression is a function of our biological makeup. Specifically, they have argued that there are neural, genetic, and biochemical influences predisposing people to act aggressively. That brings us to the end of study session 5. Thank you for listening.